Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is a super exciting day because I am going away for the weekend. I'm going to Florida. And if you are returning, you might know that I live in New York City, technically in Brooklyn. And right now, what day is it? It's February 22nd, so it's literally the most freezing it's going to be this winter. And I don't know about you, but in February, I just get so done with everything. I'm like, I'm done with this weather. I need to get out. So I'm going to Orlando, Florida for the weekend with my boyfriend. But the thing is that it is just a quick weekend trip. So I am, and I don't know about you guys, a huge overpacker. Like, I overpack so much. Usually I bring like a huge, well, what I consider normal size suitcase, but I have this tiny small away luggage. So I'm gonna have to figure out how to fit everything in, and I'm really gonna have to consolidate. So I thought that it would make for a really interesting video, like how to pack if you're an overpacker like me in just like a really tiny suitcase, meaning how to like condense, how to narrow down, how to just bring the essentials. So let me show you the size of this tiny suitcase. Okay, so it's in a bag right now, but this is an away luggage. This is the carry-on. They have the bigger carry-on, and then they just have the carry-on, which is the smallest. So this is the size. It's really cute, but it's very small. Let me take it out. For scale, it's pretty small. So this is the white one. It's actually a limited edition white because it's more of like a pearly white. It's kind of hard to tell on camera, but it's actually very pretty. And what's cool about this suitcase is that at the top, it actually has so it might be kind of hard to see, but basically if you open this up, you can literally charge your phone right on your luggage while you are waiting for your plane, which is pretty cool. So what I like to do is to put beauty stuff on one side and then clothes on the other side, because yes, my beauty stuff does take up half of what I pack because it is that important to me. Mostly skincare and makeup and hair stuff. But yeah. So what might make things a little bit more complicated is the fact that I'm probably gonna want to shower when I'm there. So if I shower, then I need to bring more stuff for my hair, i.e. this Revlon like blow dryer brush that has literally changed my life, and I cannot not use it now. But it's like, as far as like the size of the suitcase goes, it's pretty big. So I might need to take a few other like clothes items for something, but yeah, I'm just gonna put this straight into the bag just so that because I know it's a necessity and I want to see how much more room I have minus that. Also, I love my Philips Diamond Clean electric toothbrush, and it comes with this cute little traveling case. So I'm just gonna put this straight into the bag. Guys, this is where things start to get interesting, is the makeup and the liquids, because as you know, as girls, we use a lot of products that are liquids. Like our shampoo bottles are big and everything has to be small carry-on size, like under 3 ounces or something. So throughout the year, I always, like, whenever I have favorite products, I always try to find them in mini travel sizes. Obviously, like, putting stuff in those little like containers is fine too, but I think it's just like so much cuter and more fun when you have like your actual favorite products but like shrunk into a mini size. So for example, I use the Glossier Milky Jelly Cleanser, and they have like a cute little mini size. And then the Mario Badescu Skincare Rose Water Spray, and they got a little mini size as well. So yeah, things like that. And these are the type of things, not the cleanser, but actually I'm gonna take one of these out. I got the Bioderma Bioderma Micellar Water. in a little mini size. If you can't tell, I'm obsessed with mini sizes. So yeah, so I'm thinking that, because what I would do if I was going on a long haul flight, or going somewhere for a longer amount of time, I would have my makeup that's like in my bag, and then I would have my makeup that's like, sorry, makeup and skincare that's in my bag, and my makeup and skincare that's in my, like in my purse or my, like my carry-on that I would use on the plane, and I'm gonna do a video about that as well, so stay tuned. For this instance, I'm just going to have one, and I think that that makes a lot more sense. So the makeup I actually might put in my other bag that's going to go under the seat in front of me, and I'll show you what that looks like. So this is my Dagny Dover bag. It's literally the most functional bag ever. This bag was made with women in mind, I swear. I use this for work, and it's also amazing for travel too, because I don't know if you can see, it has compartments for literally everything in here. So this is for a water bottle, your coffee, you can put an umbrella in there, this like that circle. This back here you can fit your laptop in. There's also cases in the front for like pens, lipstick, your Metro card fits in there, and then you have all this space in here. So I'm probably going to, there's definitely enough room to put my makeup in here. I'm gonna get a big giant water bottle once I get through security, and then my books and my headphones and everything else will fit in here perfectly. Just a little tip, because I know that going through security, they prefer if you have your stuff in, like if they prefer if you put your liquids in a clear bag. If you don't have a clear bag, these Glossier pink pouches are like decently clear. So I'm gonna put my stuff in there. And then one thing that I do that I think is a pretty good idea, and I think I'm a little bit of a genius for thinking about this, is if you've ever bought one of the Glossier makeup brushes, they come in this little pouch. And what I do, or what I did, is I put some cotton pads and Q-tips in it, so that, because you don't want these really be loose in your bag, because you kind of want to keep them sanitary and clean. So that's a good hack. Straight into the bag. I'm also usually, I use literally 4 different serums on a daily basis because I'm just that into skincare, but I'm only going to take 2. So I'm going to do my Glossier Super Bounce, just because this is super helpful on the plane for hydration, and then the Vitamin C Super Glow, because the plane and just traveling takes so much out of you, and you need to glow yourself up. So this one. So this is another great example of consolidating. So I use a lot of different hair products when I'm going to be doing my hair, especially if I've taken a shower and I need to blow dry it. I have my blow dry serum, I have a frizz serum, I have a heat protectant, and yeah, I think that's it. But I'm not going to pack all of those for one weekend. It would just be silly. So instead I have a product that is kind of an all-encompassing product. So it literally does, it is a multitasking hair beautifier for perfecting color treated hair. It literally does 21 essential things. So it protects against color fade, it's a leave-in conditioner, it detangles, makes blow drying easier, it moisturizes parched hair, it weightlessly conditions, it strengthens the hair fiber, it shields against environmental damage, it protects against heat damage, it adds shine, refreshes hair for styling, contains frizz, helps with dryness. It literally does everything. And of course I got a little mini size of it. So it's the same thing, just mini. And so I'm just going to put a little bit of this into this, because this is almost out. So now for clothes, I actually like to try stuff on, because especially since it's winter and I haven't bought any new summer clothes for this year, I don't know what fits me. Well, I'm sure it still fits me, at least I hope. But it's more so, I don't really even remember what's in my closet or in my dresser. like what summer clothes do I have? It's like, you know, when you're not doing it and you're not really pairing them, you don't really have ideas. So I'm just gonna go through, try stuff on, make sure it fits, because I really have to consolidate and I do not want to overpack. Okay, so I think that this is a decently cute outfit, and I'm happy that I tried it on because I found out that this piece right here is very low cut. So now I knew that I need to pack a little black cami for underneath. I also threw like a safety pin in my bag for in case I didn't want to wear the cami. I can just like safety pin it. So I knew I needed that, and then I knew also I needed, you know, those little like the cute little clips that will bring your bra straps together in the back, because they're kind of showing on my shoulder right now, and that's obviously not a good look. So I need to know I need to pack one of those, and like a safety pin and the little bra thing are like two of those things that you just wouldn't really think to pack, but when you try clothes on you realize what you need. So that's why I like trying stuff on beforehand, and that's a little trick for packing, especially when you need to consolidate. Another thing is this cute little pink bag. So when I'm in Orlando, Florida this weekend, we might be going to Universal. So I need just a little bag that I can bring around the park, and since I'm only bringing my one little suitcase, I'm not really going to bring multiple different types of bags that I would use in different situations. I'm just going to bring one bag that's just going to carry my stuff in it. So I'm probably just going to use this little cute little Kate Spade bag. It goes with a lot, and it's just small enough that it's not going to be a pain to carry, but it will also still fit my little camera and any other essentials that I need in it. And then these shoes are just white little super gloss sneakers. You guys have seen them before if you watch my channel. I literally love these. They go with everything. Obviously, like everybody has a good staple pair of sneakers, but I truly think that these are the best for traveling because they're so comfortable. And since I will probably just be bringing this one pair of sneakers, therefore they will probably be my heaviest. I'm probably going to wear them on the plane as to not take up weight on my suitcase. So it's another tip. Wear your heaviest shoes on your feet. And I'm just gonna pack some pajamas. I'm probably just gonna, I just wear usually a t-shirt and a pair of shorts to bed, honestly, and I will rewear them. So I'll probably just I'll really just pack one because I'm only going to be there 2 nights. So I'll probably grab a pair of shorts and then just a t-shirt. So maybe I'll do this Loyola one because that's where I went to college. Alright, so another great tip is going for some neutrals. So, for example, this simple black top I can pair with the jeans that I'm taking with me. These white shorts I can pair with the blue shirt I was already going to take with me. So yeah, so this is one outfit, and then it can also be another outfit combined with stuff I already have. It is fun to like bring like colorful stuff as well, but yeah, neutrals will save you time and space. Alright, so next, it's always good to bring a little black dress. I have lots of different types of little black dresses, but I really like this one because it's cute, it's off the shoulder, it's kind of flowy, it's got the sleeves, it's like, you know, air conditioned and I'm a little cold. So yeah, I always like to pack something, even if I'm not specifically planning, just something that feels a little bit more dressy, just in case we decide to go out, or if we decide to go to like a nice dinner. I have something cute, little black dress. You can always throw it on. And then, however that means, because at this point you probably have realized I only have my sneakers and then I packed one pair of sandals. So now I'm gonna need shoes for going out. Just because, I don't know, I don't really want to wear my sandals going out. I mean, I could, but I just feel better if I had another pair of shoes. So I would probably either pack one of these. They're literally the same shoe, just in a different color. I think I'm going to go with the black ones though, just because I think they look better with this dress and with my romper that I brought. I don't know, what do you guys think? I think the black. Yeah, definitely the black.